Good morning, dear students. Today again I am here to discuss some more topics from chapter 16, Craft of Life, Textiles. So all of you please open your EVS book and watch the video very properly and try to understand what I am explaining here. So open page number 124 and watch the video. Okay. Whenever you are watching the video, you have to keep your book open. Okay, and the chapter open. So last day I discussed about clothes owned by people, isn't it? And how and what early people wear this also we discussed. Today our topic is sari, one unstitched clothes. The day I discussed unstitched clothes also people wear in India. So first one is sari. Sari is worn by a large majority of women in different states of India. This also you know, this is the sari, and majority of Indian women wear saris. Okay, in different regions, however, the style of wearing sari is different. But sari wearing style is different, vary from one region to another region, one place to another place. Okay, one area to another area. Okay, the length of the sari worn by women from different regions also varies. So length of the sari also means Manipuri not wearing these types of sari, isn't it? They wear fanek. Okay, and Assamese women also not wear these types of saris. Okay, and means length of the sari is not same. And Bengali wear only these types of sari. Okay, and Assamese wear two-part sari. This that is called mekla chador. Okay, so length of the sari is also varies from means region to one region, woman to another region. Next is lungi and dhoti, means men's wear. Lungi and dhoti are common types of unstitched clothes worn by men. This is lungi, this is dhoti. This also unstitched. Okay, lungi is called vesti in Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu, okay, lungi is another name is called vesti. And mundu in Kerala. Kerala, whatever men wear is this lungi is called mundu in Kerala. This you underline. Okay, usually people wear lungis with shirts. So usually means generally people wear lungi with shirt. But in Punjab and some other parts of North India, people wear another form of lungi made of silk. So some parts of Punjab and some parts of North India, what people wear means men wear lungi but made of silk. Okay, silk lungi they wear. Means this lungi this is not silk, this is cotton fabric. Okay, but in Punjab and North Indian part, people or men wear silk lungi. This is called a tehmat. This silk lungi is called tehmat. In Punjab and Kerala, women also wear lungi. So not only men, Punjab and Kerala's women also wear lungi. Okay. Now see, in West Bengal, Bihar, Odisha and some North Indian states, men wear dhoti. So in our region, our area, West Bengal, Bihar, Odisha and some North Indian states, men wear dhoti. Okay, men wear dhoti. This is dhoti. Dhoti is usually worn with a kurta. Dhoti is usually worn with a kurta. This is called kurta. Okay, which is a kind of long loose fitting shirt. This is also a type of shirt but very long loose fitting. Okay, not fit like a shirt. Worn with dhoti. Okay. Now come to next page. Here you can see turban and dupatta. This is turban, okay, or pagri, and this is dupatta. This also you know. So in some states, men wear an unstitched cloth on their head known as turban or pagri. This is also a unstitched cloth worn by men on their head. This is called the turban or pagdi. In different parts of the country, it is worn in different styles. So styles also, wearing styles also different, vary from one region to another region, one area to another area. Okay. To cover their heads and upper parts of the body, cover their heads and upper parts of the body, women wear, see, this is to cover their hand and upper part of the body. This is upper part of the body, no? So to cover this area, women wear an unstitched cloth known as dupatta. This is known as dupatta. This is also unstitched, okay, not stitched. It is also called odni or chunni. This is not only dupatta, this is another name also there. This is called odni and dupatta and chunni also say, okay. Like turban and other unstitched cloths, dupatta is worn in different styles. So dupatta wearing styles also different, isn't it? You often see it is worn with salwar kameez in Punjab. So in Punjab, people, women wear it with salwar kameez. With lehenga choli in Haryana and Rajasthan. Haryana and Rajasthan, women wear this with ghagra choli or lehenga choli. Okay. With kurta and chudidar pajama in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh, women wear with this on with chudidar and pajama. And with firan in Jammu and Kashmir. Firan, Jammu and Kashmir, women wear firan. The dress they wear, this is called firan. And with firan, they wear this odni. Okay, in Jammu and Kashmir. Whatever I underlined, you also underlined to see this video. Okay. Now come to shawl. See, this is men's shawl, this is women's shawl. Shawl is an unstitched piece of cloth worn by both men and women in winter. In winter time or winter season, men and women also both wear this shawl. Okay. Shawls worn by men are slightly longer than those worn by women. See, this is women shawl and this is men's shawl. Okay. So men's shawl is long from long to this women's shawl. Okay. So the length of these two shawls are not same. Okay. Women wear shorter and men wear longer. Shawls owned by men are this I told, those owned by, okay. These are known as lohi or loi. So whatever worn by men is called lohi or loi as a shawl. Kesh is another type of shawl. Kesh is another type of shawl worn by men in winter. So kesh, one type of shawl wear in winter by men. Okay, in winter season. So up to this much I hope you understood. Next day I discussed about method of cloth making and other. Okay.